In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix invalid Zoom meeting problem. If you're seeing an invalid meeting ID or this meeting is no longer valid message, don't worry. This is usually caused by a simple mix-up that you can fix in a few minutes. I'll walk you through clear checks and helpful tips so you can join your meeting smoothly. Start by double-checking the meeting ID. It's easy to mistype one digit or swap characters when you're rushing. If you're entering it manually, compare it carefully with the invite. Watch out for common slip-ups, like confusing the number 0 with the letter O. If you're copying and pasting, remove any spaces before or after the ID, and avoid extra punctuation that might sneak in from emails or calendars. If there's a direct join link, try clicking that instead of typing. Next, make sure the meeting hasn't already ended. Hosts can close a meeting, and once it's ended, the link may be considered invalid. If you tried joining late and got the error, that might be the reason. Check the invite details or any messages from the host to confirm whether the session is still active. It also helps to confirm the meeting date and time. Time zone differences can cause this error if you're attempting to join too early or too late. Look at the invite's time zone and compare it with your device's current time. If it's a one-time meeting, make sure you're not using an old link from a previous session. If it's recurring, confirm you're using the latest occurrence and not an outdated instance. If things still aren't working, reach out to the host and ask for a new meeting link. Sometimes hosts regenerate links, lock meetings to certain times, or update settings that invalidate older invites. A quick message like, "Could you resend the current link?" can save a lot of guesswork. This also confirms the host is using the right meeting room on their end. Make sure your Zoom app is up to date. Newer versions often fix connection and link recognition issues. On desktop, use the app's Check for Updates option. On mobile, visit your app store and install any available Zoom updates. Updating ensures your app understands the latest meeting formats and security settings. Finally, restart Zoom and try again. Fully quit the app rather than just closing the window, then relaunch it and rejoin using the corrected details or the freshly sent link. A clean restart clears cached data and resets your session. Follow these steps, and you should be back in your meeting with minimal delay.